So I'm about to show you guys how bad wheel bearing sounds like. I'm gonna go 4 different speeds. I'm gonna go 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, and then decelerate on top of that as well too. I went, no lie, almost 2,000 miles with a bad wheel bearing, so you're gonna hear how it sounds. 0 to 20. I'm at 20, 25, I'm at 30, I'm at 40 miles an hour. This is 50 miles an hour. Y'all can look at the landscape too. I'm at 60. I'm at 70. Probably as fast as I can crank it.
And here's the other one.
Damn, that doesn't.
Yeah. Yeah, what makes them bad is there's no way to grease them.
Yeah.
If they had a grease fitting right here and you could grease them, they would never go bad, but they make them that way so they can go bad.
Yeah. How long do you think that been replaced? Like last time it was replaced?
No, that's from factory.
That's factory? That's
yeah, that's from Lexus,
Damn.
Yeah, 08, whatever, however old the car is, that's how old it is.
That literally came with the car.
That's it. Yeah, it's never been replaced, though.
Oh, damn.
With all the salt and stuff on the road.
You say it was salt from the road?
Yeah, salt from the road right there.
It is a North car?
Yeah, look, all of it was seized up with salt. Look, all that salt.
Damn.